Today we shall discuss some assignment problem on a number system. So let's start our class. This is our first sum of our assignment. Find the value of a and b if root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 is equals to a plus b root 3. See how we solve this type of problem. First we have root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. First what we do, we have to rationalize it. Our denominator is root 3 minus 1 multiplied by root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1. This becomes root 3 plus 1 whole square, because both quantity are same, root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1, and our denominator becomes a minus b, a plus b. What we write here? A square minus b square. Clear? Now break the numerator. It becomes a square b square plus 2ab by, and our denominator, this root 3 square becomes 3 and this is minus 1. Now see, this becomes what? Root 3 square becomes 3 plus 1 and this becomes 2 root 3 by, our denominator is 3 minus 1 becomes 2. I hope up to this stage clear to you. Now 3 plus 1 becomes 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2. Take 2 as common in all. It becomes 2 plus root 3 by 2. This will be cancelled out. Therefore 2 plus root 3 is equals to, this is equals to what? A plus b root 3 equated with a plus b root 3. Now equate both terms. The value of a is equals to 2 right here. The value of a equals to 2. Now root 3 is equals to b root 3 right here. Root 3 is equals to b root 3. This root 3 cancel out. Therefore value of b will be 1. I hope this one is clear to you. This is assignment problem second. If x is equals to 4 minus root under 15, then find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. This we have to calculate. Now see, we have x equals to 4 minus root under 15. So what we write here? We have to write 1 by x equals to 1 minus 4 minus 15. You have to write like that. Now see, the denominator is 4 minus root under 15. Rationalize it by 4 plus root under 15 by 4 plus root under 15. Now see, our numerator becomes 4 plus root under 15 by, this is a minus b, a plus b. What we write here? A square minus b square. Clear? Now our numerator becomes 4 plus root under 15. This is 4 square means 16 minus root under 15 square becomes 15. This becomes 4 plus 15. The value of 1 by x will be what? Therefore the value of x will be 4 plus 15. Now see, next what we do, we have to calculate x value of x square plus 1 by square. If you see, this is look like a square b square. What we do, we know that the formula of a plus b whole square. A is work as x, b is work as 1 by x. So write a plus b whole square is a square b square plus 2ab. Why we use this one? Because we have to calculate the value of x square plus 1 by x square. We have to use a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square b square 2ab. This x will be cancelled out. Now value of x is already given in question. 4 minus root under 15 right here. 4 minus root under 15 plus. Now value of 1 by x we have to already calculated here. 4 plus root under 15. This is whole square is equals to, this is x square plus 1 by x square. This becomes 2. See, like term opposite sign, cancel out each other. 4 plus 4 becomes 8. We have to write 8 square is equals to, this is x square 1 by x square plus 2. 8 square is 64 is equals to x square 1 by x square plus 2. This 2 comes here. 64 minus 2 is equals to x square 1 by x square. This becomes 62 is equals to x square plus 1 by x square. Therefore, the value of x square plus 1 by x square is 62. I hope this one is clear to you.